In the heart of a verdant Yoruba village, nestled amidst towering trees and winding rivers, lived Tortoise, renowned for his cunning and craftiness. Among Tortoise's neighbors were the birds, whose vibrant plumage and melodious songs enchanted all who beheld them. Unbeknownst to the birds, Tortoise harbored a deep-seated envy of their ability to soar through the skies, unbound by earthly constraints. One sunny day, as Tortoise basked lazily in the shade, he overheard the birds chattering excitedly about their upcoming journey to the great feast in the sky. Eager to partake in the festivities, Tortoise concocted a cunning plan to deceive the unsuspecting birds with honeyed words and false promises. He persuaded them to carry him aloft on their magnificent wings, assuring them of a bountiful banquet awaiting them in the heavens. The birds, trusting in Tortoise's words, agreed to his request and gathered around him, their wings outstretched in unity. With the mighty flap of their wings, they lifted Tortoise into the air, the wind rushing past them as they ascended higher and higher. Tortoise, his heart filled with glee, began to sing and dance upon their backs, relishing the sensation of flight and the envy of those below. As the birds soared through the heavens, Tortoise's treacherous nature reared its ugly head. Gripping tightly onto the legs of the birds, he refused to release his hold. His deceitful intentions laid bare. The birds, startled by Tortoise's betrayal, desperately tried to shake him loose, their cries of outrage echoing through the sky. But Tortoise, determined to maintain his grip, clung on with all his might, his laughter ringing out in triumph. Despite their valiant efforts, the birds could not dislodge the tortoise from their midst. As they approached the celestial feast, the birds, unable to tolerate Tortoise's deceit any longer, made a swift decision. With a synchronized movement, they released their hold on Tortoise, sending him hurtling towards the earth below. And so, Tortoise's ill-gotten flight came to an abrupt and inglorious end, his dreams of soaring with the birds shattered by his greed and deception. Through the tale of the tortoise and the birds, the Yoruba people impart a timeless lesson on the perils of deception and the importance of trust and discernment. It serves as a cautionary tale against being swayed by flattery and false promises, reminding us of the consequences that await those who seek to exploit others for their gain.